Hey guys, this is Jen from the teen department, and today I'm going to show you how to make a diamond painting. So what I have here is a canvas. I've got some diamond stones, got a couple of these, some wax, a green shaker box, and this drill attachment pen. Okay, so to start off, I wanted to kind of go over the little basics. So, don't know if you can see it from this angle, but if you look at the top, like left upper hand corner, and on the bottom right hand corner, yeah, there we go. I don't know if you can see it very well, but yeah, these two charts here, that is a color-coded chart. And on there, it will have the serial number, the color-coded symbol, and this color-coded number. So, like for instance, on this little packet here, you can see the color number says 18, and the number is 3042. So what you do is you go and look on the chart, you look for 18, and next to the number 18, it has this color-coded symbol, which is Q, and it's in the color purple. This is what it is, purple. And the number, the color-coded number is 3042. And so what you'll do is, first, I'm going to take this little cover off. And it's really sticky because it's got this really sticky glue on the canvas to help the stone stick. And so I'm just going to get the stones. I'm going to put them in this little shaker box here. Going to dump them in. And then I'm just going to kind of shake it up a little because it's supposed to help keep the stones in an upright position, which is where you want it, so that it can, that's how you're supposed to stick the stone onto the canvas. And then I'm going to get this attachment drill pen. I'm going to stick it in the wax. I'm just going to press down, not too hard, but just enough where you see the tip is covered with the wax. And it's supposed to help stick the stone to get it attached to the canvas. So let me get a stone. And then I'm going to look and see the color-coded symbol on here, which is Q. So I'm just going to put it on there. And I'm going to do a couple. All right. And then I'm going to move on to the next one. Now what I have here is 19. And the number is 3064. So just like I did with the first one, with number 18, I'm going to look on the chart and see 19, and this color-coded symbol is R, and it looks like a tan color, and the number is 3064. So I'm going to dump these into the shaker box as well. And I'm just going to shake it up a little bit. And then I'm going to stick some of it on the corresponding letter here on this chart. And I'm almost finished. And there we go. And because it's really sticky and the stones are really small, if you accidentally misplace the stone on one of these symbols that doesn't match, you can use some sharp pair of tweezers to peel it off. And there you have it. And let me go ahead and show you my finishing touch, since I did most of it already. And there you go. Ta-da! See? Isn't that pretty? All right. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!